think I started losing hair when I turned 30, but it got pretty significant in the last several years. I don't know if it's like stress, you know, having kids, I don't know what it was, but last summer I took my kids on a summer vacation. We were in a pool, we took some photos, and obviously it's in the water, everything just shows coming out the water. And it was just like, wow. I gotta do something about it. I did my due diligence. I met 3 doctors, and then the moment when I sat down with them, they just made things like really comfortable. Obviously he runs a business, but I never felt like he was trying to make money off me by doing this procedure. He really wanted to, the best thing, you know, to have it turned out perfectly and the hair to look good. That's what he really cared for, and I really sensed it. It was not stressful at all. It was easy. I actually slept overnight nearby in a hotel. I came in the morning. We started, I was sedated, and then I woke up, it was done, pretty much. Obviously the first week I was very careful with the hair because it had to settle in and all that. Really not that painful. I expected a lot more discomfort, but it wasn't too bad. I was kind of getting insecure. I even reached out to the office because after 3 months, it was still kind of, I didn't see anything growing out yet, but I think around the 9-month mark, I was able to be comfortable going out. It feels great, you know, gave me a lot of confidence. I even forgot how I looked before, to be honest. I told you, I was like, well, that was me. So it's given me a lot of, you know, confidence and boost. Like when I tell people I'm 40, they're like, they can't believe it. And it really made me look younger. I would definitely recommend Dr. Pak. The way he consults with his patients is very personable. I could already sense that he's genuine and he really cares for, you know, how you look, and obviously he prides. It looks like he prides in his work too. You know, I'm really grateful for that.